I am gonna make pizza now with my daddy. And I'm gonna roll the dough like you can see. And this one's mine. I love it. And
this one's Mummy's.
And this is my guapo daddy rolling mommy dough. And I'm smoothing this bed with good. I love to make my pizza. And last time I didn't do a video because both of us and Tom just made the dough and I saw it instead of buying the dough.
You're punching
We made
the
the
dough.
dough.
Yeah, we made the dough.
I haven't needed it.
What?
Oh my god.
It's like you're popping a big popper and it went.
I don't know if I still want to eat it.
No, it's clean. I'm just kind of getting it all nice and smooth and supple so I can roll it out. And sometimes you've got to do it with a bit of love. Like, come on.
I'm gonna put some love.
Sometimes you got to do it with a bit of
I'm gonna
just a
put
little
some
bit
love.
firmness.
I'm talking to
Yeah.
my viewers. I mean, I'm talking to both of you.
Oh, thank you.
Both of you.
That's Mummy's ready.
After this, you must put it.
How are you going, darling?
After
Because
this, you must put it the dough, both of the dough to me, so I can put a little bit of love.
yeah, okay, you can put. Oh, thank you for a bit of love. So you got to. This is the pizza pan. You want to tell your friends?
So this is the pizza pan like I'm supposed to eat with, and I choose this.
So you've got to roll this out
Yeah.
to fit this circle.
Yeah. And did you hear me that I'm gonna put love on my mommy and daddy's dough?
Yeah, you might need me to take over in a minute,
Okay, but
so I
you
can
have.
roll it out flat for you.
But I have to roll it up, and then I have to put a little bit of sparkle of love.
When it's rolled out flat, darling, then we can put it in the pan,
Hey.
and then Mummy's doing something over there. Then we put the toppings on it, and then you can put your topping
Okay.
of sprinkling a little dirt.
But if this is supposed to be
Another turn.
hot.
Art?
Hot.
No, we're trying to roll it out flat, so we can cook it.
But it's supposed to be hot, is it?
No, let me have a turn, darling. I'm going to flatten it out because you need some muscles. Excuse
Can
me.
you put love on mine?
No, when I get it, I'll roll it out flat and then put it on here and we can put the toppings on it.
And then
And you can put some love on it. You can sprinkle it with love. Oh, someone needs to hold that still.
yes, they're not my friends. Some of them are my cousins,
Cool.
but some of them are.
Okay, ready, let's go.
Hi. Oh wait, did I say hi?
I don't know. So here's the sauce. If
Now
I put it
you-
here,
Now you can see, guys, that Daddy's putting on the sauce.
you have to spread it with your spoon.
Ew. I can see some veggies. I hate veggies on my pizza.
Spread it even.
Buck, 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 buck.
Even the fast. See it's thick here? Spread it around, darling.
Oh, ew, ew, why do you put some on me? Yuck, yuck, yuck. You put it on me.
Can we finish it?
No.
Yeah, because you're not being smooth, my darling. See? Smooth. Getting on the edges. Is that enough sauce?
Yes. Ew.
Now you have to sprinkle your cheese on.
Sprinkle around my cheese. Just a little bit more for the recipe. It's like I'm a baker. Just a little bit more.
You need a lot more. Yeah, I'm cheese.
I don't like ham.
You said you wanted ham. You just want cheese. You don't want ham?
Yeah, I hate ham.
Righto, so just cheese.
Yes.
Keep going. You're going to need more cheese than that. Hang on.
Oh my, oh my. I will not taste the sauce.
Okay, there's your pizza ready. Now we're going to do mummy's.
And I'll put a little bit of love.
Yeah, maybe. But first, we'll put this one over here.
Yep. Okay, so now I tasted my pizza. And it's very delicious. What I did, just okay, I'll show you the recipe if you want it. All I did, I put in some sauce, and now Daddy and me put a lot of cheese on, and then we just put in some ham, and then we just made it Mommy's, and then we just put mine in the oven. But after Mommy's, and then Daddy just did his all alone, and I love mine. Because it's yummy. If you want to make pizza, you can make pizza. And that's what it looks like.